Oh, hi guys, I'm here back with another video, and this video is all about framing, door, wall. Probably you are doing some project for your basement or just renovating your house, and this is a little mock-up, a little demonstration that we are going to do it. And see, this wall is a 30-inch door, so 30-inch door mean that you keep the opening is 30-inch door wall framing that I design it. It's a little description, a little design on the board. And I know that every need is different, like your engineer probably have draw a different way, your designer has a draw a different way, and then again depend on the wall size and depend where you want to put a door. You want to put a door in the middle, or you want to put a door right side or the left side, and it's again all depends. So the chart we did, this chart frame a wall 30-inch door. So this is on the base of 30-inch door. So 30-inch door mean that we putting this door right in the middle. So the frame is designed in the way that the door is going to be used in the middle. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I'll explain a little bit. Again, the wall size height is 8 feet. So when we talk about the height of the wall, so again is pretty simple and straightforward. And the frame wall is in the base of 30-inch door. So 30-inch door mean that we will keep the opening 31 inches. So 30-inch door mean we'll make a 1 inch bigger opening because our door jamb is gonna fit inside the frame, and then we need to do some shim to set our doors. And the door height we are getting from the bottom of the plate to the bottom of the jack stud 82 inches. So normally door is 80 inches or 80 and a half inches. So we still keep a 2 inches or you can keep it 81 and a half from the bottom. Yeah, so we don't need a lot of tools actually to frame the wall out. I'm doing pretty much my impact, and there's a number 2 bit, and also I have this these are screws that I'm using, and that's a 2.5 inch screw. I mean, and just use my pencil. And again, you can use nails, hammer nails that you can use actually hammer, and yes, it works simple, right? Now I got these two woods. They are 8 feet long, and they are 2 by 3 by 8 feet. So you can see that. So these are the two wood. So I will call is a top and bottom plate. So I'll call this the top and bottom plate. So what I'm gonna do here, I know that my width of the wall is about 8 feet. So that's about 8 feet exactly, is an 8 feet here. You can see that 8 feet. And now what I'm gonna do, because I'm putting my door in the middle, so I'll just make the center point. I'll look for the center point, and my center point, what, 8 feet? So my center point is gonna be 4 feet. So that's my center point here. So I'll just kind of mark it there just to start with, and I use my square, and I'll put and mark and then call that's my center, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the 16-inch center. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start from here, and then I will mark a 16-inch. So my first 16 inches here. Okay, now here's very tricky here. Just I'll use exactly on the 16. So I'll make exactly on the 16, and I'll tell you that why I'm putting here exactly on the 16. And then my next one is what? My next one is 32. So I'm putting a 32, and the next one what? So next one is my already is a 4 feet, right? So it's a 48, and the next one I'll put on the 60 is here, and the next one I'm gonna do a 72,
And then the next one I got 84, and then I got my last, right? So now I'll take my square and I'll just make a line on top and bottom plate, and then I just make a full line top and bottom plate, and that's my center. And I make a full line top and bottom plate, and I got a full line top and bottom plate, and then a full line top and bottom plate. And also, yeah, I know that 1.5 inches, that's gonna be my outside stud. So I got one stud here, and then I come back here, I have 1.5 inches, so I got one stud here both sides. So now I got my mark. How many mark I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So now this is my center point, and I want to make the door opening. So my door is a 30-inch, and what I'm going to do, I'll make my mark 31 inches. So 31 inches from the center. So 31 inches from the center. So what I'll do, so 15 and a half. So here you go. So that's my 15 and a half. It's kind of over there. That's one mark is here. And then this side, same, I'll do 15 and a half. So 15 and a half where? Here. That's a 15 and a half. So now I'll make the lines 15 and a half, and this one 15 and a half. So I will delete that stud. I'll delete this one, and I'll double check it here. So 15 and a half is exactly here, and I delete this one. Now I'll see what's my door opening, and I go back here, I check. So that's about 31, right? That's what we're looking for. So 31-inch opening we were looking for, as we explained you on the chart. So that's a 31 opening. Now, so this side we have 1.5 inches. So I'll take 1.5 inches, one mark here. So this one 1.5 inches. Now that is gonna be my jack stud, and I'll put a J here. So I put a J here, and then I go further down. So further down what? 1.5 inches. So again 1.5 inches here. Yeah, that's 1.5 inches, and I make a mark here, and that's gonna be my what? It's gonna be my master, right? Master stud, or you can call a king stud, whatever you name it. And same this side. And this side again 1.5 inches. So that's 1.5 inches here. You can see 1.5 inches. Okay, make a line. Okay, line here, right? So that's what. So as I said, this side is a jack stud, and I'll do a jack stud here. So I put a J here, and then another 1.5 inches. Okay, that's 1.5 inches here. Make a line. Use my square. So what's that? That's, as I said, other side, master or a king. So master or a king. Master, whatever you use it, a master or a king, the stud. So now we count how many studs we need. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we need a 7 stud to be cut. And now, very important thing, before we cutting the stud, they're gonna go in between. So I'm using this line here, and then when I'm putting my stud, I'll just center the center of my stud. So let's say when I put my stud, I'll show you there how I'm gonna put my stud, like center of this line. Okay, and yeah, that's important thing. 1.5 inches, that means 3 inches. So let's say I got this wall here. So let's say that is a wall. So I'm gonna bring my wall up to here. It's just for mock-up demonstration purposes. So I'll take my measuring tape and I put on the floor, exactly on the floor where I'm gonna put my bottom plate, and I'll go and I'll measure it. So it show me about 84 inches. So 84 inches, that means 84 inches. So 84 inches and I minus 3 inches. So what's left? It's like 81. So 81 I'm going to, so 81 I'm going to cut all my studs and master stud. And the jack stud I will measure it, and then I'm put it as I showed you on the chart that the full we're looking for 82 inches or 81 and a half. So let's go and cut it. So I just did all pre-cut for all my top plate, bottom plate, and all my studs, the outside stud and inside stud, and also my jack stud, and also my the cripples, and also my master studs. So it's just pretty much it's a pre-cut done, and we are pretty much ready to screw it. And once I screw it, and I will double check the size. Already checked the size once for the door, which is perfect. That we're looking for about 31 inches, right? So which is all right. And if it's like a 31 and a quarter is bigger, that's fine. So let's screw it now. Alright, so pretty much I did all the nails to all my studs, bottom plate, top plate, and the cripples, and then my jack stud, and my master stud, and outside here, let me double check it. And the best thing is to check it, see if you're missing any nail. You're not missing any nails, and also when I'm doing this, so I'll just double check my size, which is a perfect. That's looking for 31 inches, and then this side is also 31 inches, perfect 31 inches. And now this bottom plate, I'll check it from here to here, which is 81 and a half, 82 inches that we're looking for. So let's lift this wall. Alright, so we're gonna lift this wall now. Okay. Wall. That is pretty stable. That is pretty good. Let's get it straight. And I'll put this just to keep it just for a hold for a minute. Right? So I will just put one screw there. Okay. Get this and just kind of in the middle. I'll put a screw just to stand my wall for a second. Okay, that's temporarily. And I'll just straighten my wall. Perfect. Check this side. Pretty straight. This side. That's pretty straight. Now, the bottom plate here, that bottom plate, so when I do my nail in place, let's say I put my nail over there, 1, 2, and I use my concrete nails with the bullet gun, or use a concrete nail with a little heavy hammer, and I put one nail there, and when my wall is pretty much stable, strong, and I put some nail on top. See, every situation is different for the top, but I'll just got some clearance about a quarter inch from there. So make sure that I will not tie too much to my ceiling, and I'll keep about a quarter inch away, and I use my longer nails. And then once I'm stable both sides, have my nail in place, and then I'm going to cut it from here. So cut from here, so this way I can install my door. So this is all about the door frame that I did just for a mock-up, and we can do better. Just want to make sure that we measure twice and cut once, and draw on the paper as I explain you, and
hopefully you like my walk, and if you have any question or any comments, drop in the comment box, and if you like to subscribe it, and we'll see you in the next video too. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.